Assalamualaikum. For today's video is magluluto po tayo ng aloo mater palaw, which is potato, beans, and rice. First, I put oil, and the second is I put onion. And guys, you can add also garlic paste or ginger paste if you have it. But for me, I'm garib, so I don't have that. So only this one, only oil and onion. And you have also the masala. I mean that star. I don't know what they call that one. It's masala, not the powder one. It's okay. You can put also because that one smells good. But me, I don't have. And as well, I'm hungry. That's why. Then after that, leave it the onion. It's like a brown type, not dark like so. No, it's not tasty good ate. And add a little water so the onion will not burning. While waiting for the onion para maging brown siya, so nagcut muna ako ng potatoes, tomatoes. Then after that, naglagay ako ng tubig para hindi siya masunog. So this is what I'm saying. Para hindi siya masunog yung onion, ilagay niyo po. Yung ganitong klaseng onion na luto, okay na yan. Tapos ilagay ko yung kamatis, tomato, right? After that, cover it. Pwede kayong gumamit ng yung already blend na tomatoes na. For me, I want like this. So, I take it off the skin. Kasi ayoko yung my skin. Ganun ko lang. Pero pwede kayong gumamit ng naka-blend na tomatoes. It's up to you guys. Ako, gusto ko yung maraming ulas charis lang. Just like this. Just mix also all of them. All of them. Tapos, wait for sometimes para maging smooth na yung tomatoes. After, bakit kasi hindi ako nagumamit ng blend na? Ano ka ba, ting? It's okay. Oh, see? Still hard. But after that, after a minute, then I make it smash. Is it a smash? Yan, ganun. Ginanon ko lang, be. Ayun. Yung galit na galit ka na sa mga sa mga chares lang. No. Hindi good. Yeah, I just smash the tomato first. Kasi I want like this, like I have a lot of things to do. Then after that, I put a little water para hindi siya masunog. After I put the potato, mix. Tapos after that, naglagay din ako ng mga spices, spices curry, tapos yung masala at saka black pepper at salt. Take note, hindi po ako naglalagay ng maraming masala. Konti lang po talaga. Yung spices na pinalagay ko, konti lang. After that, I put the green beans. Okay, which is the butter. And then I put a little water. Tapos takpan. Ganyan mo lang. Leave it like 3 minutes until all of them will cook. And after, let's go back. See if it's like that. See, it looks like it's already cooked. Yeah, it's like that already cooked. Just mix. Oh, the water it's gone, right? Just parang oil na lang yung natira. Pero hindi yan oil, ha. Ganyan lang talaga. Dahil sa tomato yan. And after that, I put the rice. Guys, yung rice na ginamit ko, 2 cup ng rice. Kung 2 cup yung rice ang gamit mo, which is maglagay kayo ng tubig is 3 cups. Means 1 is to 2. 2 and 3. So, I put 3 cups of water. The rice is 2 cups and the water is 3 cups. That's it. Then after that, leave it boiled. Okay, then after some time, it's boiling. It's boiling. Pag ganun na yung texture niya, as you can see, yung wala ng tubig, we put a lot of water, like 3 cups, right? So now it's okay. Then after, takpan nyo ulit. Takpan nyo lang. Just you can see the texture of rice is like soft. Okay na yan. But cover it for like 5 to 5 minutes. Then after that, as you can see, the water is gone already. Then after, I put plastic. It's okay. You can use a cloth or anything. But for me, I don't have anything. So only this plastic. Tapos takpan niyo po ulit. Tapos pahinaan niyo po yung apoy. Yung medium heat lang. Hindi talaga yung umaapoy. Tapos iset niyo po siya ng time like 15 to 20 minutes po. O, hinaan ko yun. O, parang wala nang apoy yan pero meron yan, okay? Ganyan yan. Then, after 15 to 20 minutes, so, okay na. Aloo mater palaw is ready. See, you can see, guys. Napakasarap nito. First time gumawa ako nito, yung asawa kong nagawa first. Tapos, tumingin lang ako fast learner kasi ako eh. Manonood lang ako bukas, alam ko na. Chares! Happy eating! Bye! Ala Hafiz!